After we swim in the pond, we have to get rinsed off with the water hose. There's Penny with her rinse off time. She loves playing in the water. And that's Penny in the water right there. Doesn't mind getting her face sprayed. This is Libby getting her face washed, getting a drink of water. Yeah, Libby getting a drink of water. That's Sister Penny helping with the ear flip back. Yeah. Tripper! These trippers rinse off in the water hose. Of course, Penny has to help them. Tripper staying in the water hose. And there's a good roll. There's a good roll after we get playing in the water. Now we get all the clean off of us. Oh, got to come back for some more. We got to come back for some more. From Penny.